Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am sharing some tips and tricks for this everyday natural makeup look. So let's get started. So first tip is always prep your skin before applying any makeup, and also choose a prep routine not only according to your skin type but also according to the season, because if this step goes wrong, everything you apply onwards will not look good, and any makeup looks good only when your skin feels hydrated. So hydration is a must. Second tip is use tinted moisturizer for more natural and breathable skin, and for the areas you need more coverage, use concealer similar to your skin color. And as you can see, my skin is not in a good condition, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more concealer and keep it for a 15 to 30 minutes so that it will give me more coverage. And anyways, we are going to apply a face powder, so the base will look fresh and matte anyways. Third tip is shape your face with blush and bronzer. So I'm here using my Rimmel blush palette, but you can use any mauvey pink blush or anything, and I'm also applying that on my eyes as well, just to give me that effect. Yeah, and I'm just also going on with a bronzer that is near to my skin color because I want to look more natural and soft. Next tip is for eyes, always use brown eyeliner or eye pencil, then black, because it's going to give you more soft, natural, feminine and breezy look, whereas black will make it look more harsh and not that appealing. And it is very easy to handle brown eyeliner or brown kajal than to black kajal, because anyways it's going to transfer up on the lower part of your eye and it will look too patchy. So brown is very easy to work with, and I'm just giving myself a little bit dot on a wing, and I'm just creating a fake wing. So this is my eyes are looking. Last tip is for the lip. Now for the lips, I'm using this Miss Claire lipstick in number 13, and it has a very buttery texture, so the applicator works like a brush here. And I'm going to apply just a lip liner to make it look more precise and clean. Always apply your lipstick with a brush so everything will look more blended and your lipstick will not get crusty at the end of the day. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope this is going to help you guys, and you can literally do this look for your office, college, or for pretty much everywhere. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video, and I will leave all the product details in the description box below. Bye.